Hi, Tapas Fleming here, tatlife.com. I wanted to let you know something that I haven't told you before that I think will give you encouragement, especially if you're like many of the people I've been talking to lately who are telling me things that are just identical around the world. They're saying, what's the point of my life? They're hearing these things like that don't match who they are, that they don't normally think, hear, or feel. So they're hearing things like, what's the point of my life? Who would care if I was gone? So they have sort of like on the edge, thinking about not exactly making plans to kill themselves, really, but just like sort of like a gentle nudge in that direction for their life. And they're feeling like, I don't want to tell anyone. That they say to me, I didn't tell anybody this for days because it's so negative, and they're feeling emotionally like blah. And people that I love, that I usually am so excited to see, I just feel meh. I just not feeling connected. I can't connect with my heart. I don't feel connected with the divine energy I normally feel connected with. My soul feels trapped. So I just want you to know that by the end of working with people, they are shining brighter than I've ever seen them, and regularly. Usually people's energetic fields look like they go out about 4 or 5 feet from their center, around them, and there's brightness there. There's different energetic feeling and colors. I'm seeing people's energetic field just like blast out in this fabulous white light that looks like it goes on forever. And they're feeling quite different. So that can happen for you. I just want you to know that people are going from this very dark, feeling very cut off place to incredible connection, brightness, um, love, and feeling like they're connected with their soul and the divine again. One other thing is that several people I've seen start off looking, because I can see energetic fields, they start off looking like they're in their own um, like a dome that goes around their body, but especially at the top, of dark clouds, no light. And like this rain is falling that just sucks the happiness out of them. So if you have any feelings like that, know that you're not alone. And just doing TAT, you can get out of that. So there are a couple of steps you can try as a short way of getting from here to there that just might work for you. So the first thing to do is the intention we always do with TAT. So you do the heart pose, whichever hand over the top, over your heart chakra. So near your heart and centered, and we'll make the intention together. This healing's on behalf of you, your whole family, all your ancestors, your conscious and subconscious mind, all the parts of you, all the points of view you've ever been identified with, for all beings involved, all beings who'd like to benefit, for every frequency of your being, and it'll happen in a way that is safe and easy. And then do the TAT pose, light touch just above the upper inner corner of each eye, your middle finger just at your third eye area, and your other hand at the base of your skull. So your thumb is just above your hairline. Your hand isn't down on your neck. And we'll do this one new intention together. For all frequencies of my entire being, you no longer need to embody any of the experiences, information, or frequencies that are resulting in this. This meaning the darkness, isolation, separation, dark thoughts that you're in. All frequencies of my being, you can now embody only those experiences, information, and frequencies that result in your happiness, health, and fulfillment. Okay, so that's been getting people a lot of mileage in this. I hope it helps you. Thanks for listening and looking forward to seeing you next time. Bye for now.